Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce a very good Korean dictionary that provides native Korean pronunciation and also a very good translator which translates your language into Korean in a very natural way. You don't need to change your keyboard into Korean, so it's going to be very easy and I'll show you how to do it. First, search Naver dictionary on Google. Naver is the most popular search engine in Korea, like Google, and it provides a very good dictionary. You can simply visit naver.com, but it's all Korean, so you can just visit dict.naver.com or search Naver dictionary on Google. There are some errors if you translate the page with Google, so just visit the website right away. Now, click 국어, which is at the top of the screen. It means the native language. Then you will see this page. You can write Korean words right away if you can type Korean with your keyboard, but if you don't know how to change your keyboard's language, just click the keyboard on the screen. Then you will see all the consonants and vowels of Korean. Click each of them and try to write a word. Let's try 과일. If you want to erase a letter, click 한 글자 지우기 at the bottom. If you want to erase everything you have written, click 모두 지우기. Now let's try another word. Let me type 은행. Then click the magnifier and you will see the meanings of the word and a speaker icon. Click the speaker icon and you can listen to the word's pronunciation.
은행.
If you want to repeat it, click the word first, and then there will be two icons like this. One is to listen to the pronunciation for just once, and the other is to repeat it.
은행, 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 은행.
If you want to stop the play, you can click the red square. This time, let's find the verb. I searched for 읽다. It is double consonants at the bottom, so it might be a little bit confusing for Korean learners to pronounce it. The word in the square brackets is the actual pronunciation of the word, and you can listen to it by clicking the speaker icon.
있다, 있다, 있다.
You can also check the conjugation of the verb, and it will be very helpful if you want to speak or write the story of your own in Korean. You can also visit this website with your cell phone, and how you find a word is almost the same as how you do it with the computer. So just watch the video for a moment.
감자, 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 감자.
Now, I'm going to introduce an excellent website that translates various languages into Korean. You can also listen to the pronunciation of the translated sentences, and the intonation of the AI is very natural, so try it on your Korean study. First, search Papago on Google, or you can directly visit papago.naver.com. Now, this is the page. On the left, you will write sentences in your language. Then the result will be shown on the right side. If you click the inverted triangle, you can select the language that you would like to translate. The AI translator can translate English, Korean, Japanese, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Spanish, French, Dutch, Russian, Portuguese, Italian, Vietnamese, Thai, Indonesian, and Hindi. If you click this one, it automatically senses the language you write and will translate into Korean. This one is to translate Korean using 높임말, the honorific language. If you activate it, the result will be in 높임말, and if you deactivate it, then the AI will translate your language in a casual way. Now type whatever you would like to translate. Then you will see the translation very soon. There is no limitation with the number of the letters, so just write or paste sentences as many as you want. If you click the speaker icon, you can listen to the sentences and the intonation is super natural. If you click this icon, then you can copy the sentence so that you can paste it wherever you want. You can also use it with your cell phone. Take a look at the video for a moment and check out how to use it.
금요일이에요. 금요일이에요.
This AI translator is very smart, and again, its translation is very natural and accurate compared to Google. It has fewer errors than Google Translator, but still it is AI, so make sure to check the meanings by yourself using the dictionary below it. Okay, this is it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know with the comment. Thank you. 감사합니다.